Da'ai village in Ormoc City, the Philippines, has been devastated by tropical storm Kai-Tak. Volunteers have come to help with the cleaning. They have also brought many young people to join the effort. There were also people from Kanaga town who had been helped by Tzu Chi with building Da'ai village for them after the earthquake. They brought their own equipment to join the cleaning to show their appreciation.
Holding a shovel to join the cleaning team, engineer Napolis uses his vacation to come here from Manila instead of visiting his family in Cebu.
I heard there is much mud to clean. I'm here to help. The food has left much garbage and the furniture are all soaking wet. I want to help as much as I can.
For 2 years, he has been here to help to build Da'ai village. All the typhoon victims here are his good friends. These 2 Da'ai houses near the river was destructed the most. He brings his partner to help to repair the houses.
I feel very bad because I live in the village as well. My house is fine, but this one is totally destroyed because the flood came straight to it.
Clear the mud and put on new walls. Volunteers have fixed the house in an hour. Volunteers in Kanaga town have once shared the feeling of this powerful corporation. This July, an earthquake has destructed their houses. Under the assistance of Tzu Chi, they've brought the villagers to rebuild their homeland.
Thanks to Tzu Chi, I have house to live in now, so I want to come to help if they need it here.
They not only pay for their own transportations, they've also brought their own equipment. Children who are having school breaks also came to help.
I'm here to help because it's disastrous here.
I'm very happy because I'm helping others.
Although Da'ai village is covered in mud, but it is still a place that's full of energy. Volunteers from everywhere brought in young people in town to lift heavy items and help the miscellaneous things.
We're thankful to Tzu Chi's help for us. Therefore, we should help others in need. Just like what Tzu Chi did, they help us even though they don't know us.
With love from different places, Da'ai village is now clean and bright again.